Good morning, student. Again, welcome back. The question number 8 to 12 in miscellaneous chapter 2, miscellaneous exercise. So now start question number 8. 1 to 7 also given in the first video of a miscellaneous exercise chapter 2. And now question number 8. Let f equal to given 1 comma 11, 2 comma 3, 0 comma -1, -1 comma -3 be the function z to z. Define a function of x equal to ax plus b for some a comma b belongs to z. Okay, find d. This function is given. So order pair also given of a function. This f z to z, integer to integer. So this function of is given equal to ax plus b. So find a and b. A and b find. So function of x equal to ax plus b means this coordinate is a x or this value is a, this is value 1, not 1, this is 1 equal to function of x, this coordinate x comma y, so imply x comma function of x because y equal to function of x. Clear? So this value is a function of x, this is a x, this domain, first element of a order pair is domain and second element is range, range is y, y is a function of x. That is clear? So first means x equal to 1, then function of x equal to 1, and x equal to 2 and function of x equal to 3, this function. Okay, and now this again, so only find the two variable, two equation one mind. Then x equal to 1, x equal to 1 in this function of x, so function of x equal to ax plus b, putting function of x equal to 1, so a into x plus b. Okay, so 1 equal to a plus b, 1 equal to a into 1 is b, equation number 1. And this function of x equal to 3 equal to 2 into a plus b. So 2a plus b by 1, 1 and 2 solve, this 3 equal to 2a plus b, b equal to 1 minus a, 3 equal to 2a plus 1 minus a, that is a plus 1, 3 minus 1 equal to a, and a equal to 2, putting by 1, this b equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, and b equal to minus 1, a equal to 1, y equal to 1, this is that your answer. Next question number 9. Let r be the relation of function r, n to n, n to n, n to n, and order pair relation this equal to a comma b such that a comma b belongs to natural number n, okay, and a equal to b square if a is domain or b is range, b or codomain. Okay, this, so function this use in this, if any case putting the value of b, in that b is only a equal to b square, a equal to b square, a equal to b square. So if any b, by putting the b and find also a, and this reversible question. First condition, a comma a belongs to real for all a belongs to n, n means natural number, and this satisfies a comma a for all a belongs to n natural number, a comma b, this function given, this relation, sorry, this relation, according to relation they verify are the following is true. So a belongs to a means A comma A belong to R. Okay, तो A is a क्या है, same element और belongs to और A comma A belongs to natural number. Means use A equal to A square, then B equal to A, right? According to this question. तो A comma A equal to B or A equal to A. तो A equal to A square, like A equal to 1, then A square is also 1, right? A equal to 2, then B equal to A square, that is 2 square equal to 4. Okay, this not equal to means the 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1, but 2 equal to 2 square equal to, this is not 4, say not 4. So all R belongs to natural, right? This is also not a relation. It is not a relation. This one clear? 1 to 1, 2 square equal to 2. This verify in this condition. A equal to B square. Okay, and this B square equal to A. यानी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, यानी ए कोई भी आप वैल्यू रखोगे तो A इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर कंडीशन वेरीफाई होना चाहिए. तो B वैल्यू 1, तो 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू A आना चाहिए, 1 आना चाहिए, 1 राइट, बट 2 इज नॉट वैलिड, 1 पर राइट, बट सेकेंड एलिमेंट इज नॉट वैलिड. सो सेम this condition is not a belong in real, sorry, not satisfied of this condition. Okay, in natural number, of any case take n minus 2 minus 1 is minus 1 square equal to B equal to LCM according to this. So minus 1 is not equal to minus 1, not 1, right? Minus 1 square plus 1 value. So this is not valid, not a relation, not a relation. Clear? First is not a relation. Second same, A comma B belongs to real and B comma A is also belongs to real. ऐसा. So then A equal to B square according to question, or B equal to A square. If any case B equal to 2, A equal to 2 equal to 4, and then B equal to 2, right? A equal to B says 4, and then B equal to A equal to also 4 now. So 4 square equal to 16 is not matching. A comma B, A is not equal to B square, B is not equal to A is not equal to B square, or B is not equal to A square, therefore not a relation of R. Okay, so okay, and then A comma B belongs to real and B comma C belongs to real and A comma C is belongs to real. So first condition, A equal to B square, then B equal to C square. So A equal to B square, B equal to C square. Clear? So putting the B equal to, now B equal to under root plus minus A. Okay, so this B, so under root plus minus A equal to C square. So not valid. So therefore A comma C does not belong to real. Clear? So this is not relation. This is not verified. Okay, for the definition. Next question number 10, 11, 12. 3 questions are given. So question number 10 very simple. So 10 question, you can just A equal to, set A equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set B equal to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15 and 16. Okay, and that function is also given. in order pair 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 9, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 11. Okay, so first condition, f is a relation. F is a relation. F is a relation from A to B. From A to B is verified. So A, so find the relation by the definition of relation. One and only one of any one element of a domain is imaged in a B. Imaged in a B such that A to B condition, element of a single element match to single element of B. You can say, okay. So first A1 B, A is given, B is given. So find A element by F. A, that is domain. You can say domain. Domain of F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 is not repeated, 2 is also given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 is also given. So this belongs to A set. Clear? And B, second element belongs to B. So find, this is a range of F. This 5, 9, 1, 5 is also repeated and this 11. So you can say 1, 5, 1, 5, 9 and 11. This is also belongs to B. 1, 5, 9, 11 B, right? So this is also belongs to B. Both are belongs to B. This is also relation. Therefore F is a relation, right? This belongs to, this is also, first answer is right. First condition. Second, in second, F is function. F is a function. So you can find the y F equal to 1 comma 5, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 11. Okay, so find domain. Domain is 1, 2, 6. So this F of 1, this equal to 5 and this F of 2, this equal to x equal to 2 equal to 9, F of 3 equal to 1, F of 4 equal to 5. Okay, repeat it. And this F of 2 equal to 11 and domain repeated 2 time. Okay, repeated 2, no range, only domain 1, F of 1, sorry, F of 2 and this F of 2. Clear? So the F of 2 have 11 and 9 two value. Domain 1, the domain single, so range are different too. So this is a not a verified. So definition, by the definition of function. I have a definition of function. Definition of function. Each element of domain means first set. Each element of domain should have unique image. Okay, each element of domain should have unique means single image. Okay, the definition. So that is a, so this is not a function. Clear? This double man. So therefore, sorry, F is not a function. Clear? Right? So next question number 11 and 12. Can you solve question, justify this type question? And question number 12 solve by me. Okay, 11 question number solve itself. Question number 12. Okay, 11 you solve for. You can solve also very simple question. And 11, 12. A equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 13. As f a2 natural number. Okay, a2 natural number. A is domain is given, A is domain and N is range. So range is a natural number. We define by the function of x equal to the highest prime factor of x. Find the range of f. So f of x is also range. f of x को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Range. Okay, the value of fx is range और x is a domain. Clear? तो domain belongs to किस करेगा? A में. So this x belongs to A. So prime factorization, the function of first element 9. So prime, this is a function of x. Function of x is highest prime factorization. So highest factor क्या होगा? 3 into 3. So prime factor, highest prime factor, my highest value of prime factor 3 into 3, 3. Highest prime factor is 3. f of 10, factor of 10, 2 comma, but 2 multiply 5. So this is also 10, this equal to, so this highest factor 5. f of 11 is also prime number. Clear? So it is all a prime number. This is also prime number factor. f of 12 is f of 2 multiply 2 into 3. Okay, so highest prime factor is 3 of a 12. f of 13 is equal to 13 is also prime number. So 13 is the highest prime number. So this is a highest prime factors and this also function. So this is also domain and this is also range. The range of f is given. F is a highest common factor. The range of highest prime factor. The highest prime factor this in form 3, 5, 11, not repeated of 3. Okay, 3 is used one time of 13. Get your answer. Okay, solve this exercise. Any doubt you can ask tomorrow. Thank you.